What's up, everyone? Choosing between Torbox and Real Debrid? Let's break it down. So, starting with the price, Torbox costs around $4 monthly. So, while the Real Debrid is about €3. So, Real Debrid is slightly cheaper than the other one. Now, for download speeds. So, both offer unlimited speeds. So, on this one, it's a tie. So for supported hosters, Real Debris supports over 80 file hosts compared to Torbox's 50 plus Real Debris wins it here. Now the torrent support, so actually both handle torrents differently. So this is another tie, but here is where it gets interesting. The Torbox has a modern REST API, so that is a developer-friendly, while the Real Debris uses an older legacy API. So for my final verdict in this one, the Real Debris for value and the hoster support, while the Torbox for modern integrations. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this comparison helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.